5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, and row 3 and 4 and 5. Step together. 7, 8, look away. Now 1 and 2, open 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. We go left 1, 2, 3, 4, and go 5, 6, 7, 8, and we go down, dot, dot, 3, dot, dot, up, look, and hit. Go right hand, left hand, open. Now let's go into the chorus. We're going to jump on 1 with the hands out. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Now we're going to jump out on 6 and walk on 7 and 8 and now sit on 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go on 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Now look on 1.